Hello everyone and welcome to the course on Fundamentals of Image and Video Processing 2ECOE01. This is an open elective course that is offered to the students of semester 5 of Chemical, Civil, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering. So we are discussing the first unit of this course, and that is on Introduction to Digital Image Processing. In the last class, we had seen the electromagnetic spectrum and had expressed it in terms of wavelength and frequency. We had seen the visible spectrum and the components of the complete electromagnetic spectrum. Today we are going to discuss about achromatic and monochromatic light, or as well as chromatic light, the difference between them. We would be seeing how an image is sampled and quantized. Later, once the image is captured by the sensor on the camera, we would see how an image is actually formed after sampling and quantization. So that matrix representation of the complete image we would be seeing, and then we would be talking about the most basic element of this image, that we call it as a pixel. Sometimes we also call it as an image element, pixel element, or PEL. Later we would be seeing the difference from pixel point of view and the intensity point of view for binary images, grayscale images and RGB images, where I would be having, instead of one, I would have 3 color channels. Then once we know the pixels, we would try to find out the number of bits that would be required to store an image by converting or by calculating the size of the image. So m cross n, the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns multiplied by the number of bits that we are using. So L, the number of gray levels, would be nothing but 2 raised to k. So if I am using a single bit, either a 0 or a 1, then I would have two levels, 0 and 1. If I am representing my pixel by 8 bits, then 2 raised to 8, I would have 256 values for representing a particular intensity level, and using that I can calculate the number of bits that would be required to store an image. So the images were taken from Gonzalez and Woods. See you in the class then. Thank you.